we shall write a C program to find the biggest of given n numbers. Solution. Consider a for loop to read the list of n numbers and store them in an array. The first number in the list is assumed as big and is compared to the remaining numbers to get the biggest number. This is the concept of this program to write, to find and print the biggest of given n numbers. So steps involved in the program are shown here. Step 1, read n. Read the number of elements in the array. Step 2, loop to read n numbers of the list. Step 3, assuming big number is equal to x of 0, the first element in the array. Let us assume it as a big number. Step 4, loop to find the biggest by comparing it with the remaining numbers. The first number is going to be compared with the second number. If second number is a smaller number than the first number, the big variable will continue with the first number. If second number is bigger than the first number, the second number is going to occupy the variable big. So it's going to drop the first number and going to get second number as the big number. And step 5, like this it will continue for all the elements in the array, and at the end of all the iterations, what will be stored in the big variable is the really big number of the entire array. Step 5 is to print the big number, and step 6 is to stop. So the program concept. And now let us look at the program. Program to find biggest of n values. Include the header files. The main program starts, and integer values declared here. X of 50, this is the array declaration. N, the number of elements in the array. I, the iteration. Big is the number, that is the big of all the elements. Clear the screen. Printf, how many numbers are there in the array. Scanf, the number to be taken through the keyboard, and printf, enter all those numbers. For I is equal to 0, I is smaller than n, I plus plus. Scanf, %d ampersand x of I. So all the values are taken through the keyboard from the user. And the comment line, assume first value as big. Big is equated to x of 0. And then loop to find the biggest by comparing from second number onwards. So for loop is being used here. I is equal to 1 because already the first number is taken here, x of 0 as big number. For I is equal to 1, I is smaller than n, I plus plus. If x of I is greater than big, if x of I is greater than big, big is equal to x of I. This is the concept, main part of the program. So it's the program is going to compare one number which is being considered as the big number with the each and every element in the array. If it finds any bigger number than the number which is there in the consideration, it's going to replace that number with this number. So big is equal to x of I. Printf, on a new line, %d is the biggest number, big. So big number is going to be printed. A statement will appear on the screen. Get ch, end the program. So let us check how this can be solved. Program is already entered in the C compiler editor. The same program is entered here. Program to find biggest of n values. Include header files. Main program starts here. Integer values declared. clear the screen, printf how many numbers, scanf take the value n through the keyboard, printf enter all those numbers. For I is equal to 0, I smaller than n, I plus plus, scanf. So through the keyboard all the values are going to be read, and assume first value as big. Big is equal to x of 0. Look to find the biggest by comparing from second number onwards. For I is equal to 1, I smaller than n, I plus plus. If x of I is greater than big, the variable big is going to get that number. Big is equal to x of I. Printf on a new line is the biggest number, percentage is the biggest number, big, and get ch. So this is the program that is being entered into the compiler editor. Run the program. Yes. How many numbers? Just take 5 numbers. Enter all those numbers. Value 10, 23, 31, 8. So 5 numbers are entered. So 23, 31. 31 is the biggest number in the array. 12, 10, 23, 31, 8. So let us see how the result is going to be displayed. 31 is the biggest number. So this is how we get the results. Let us check once again. How many numbers? 8. Enter all those numbers. 12, 34, 55, 24, 12, 44, 28, one more number, 10. 8 numbers are entered through the keyboard. Let us check the result. 55 is the biggest number. So like this we solve this problem of C program to find the biggest of an array of elements. Thank you for joining this session. Thank you.